What is up, my crafty friends? My name is Carrie and welcome back to my channel. I'm so excited you're joining me for another video today, but y'all, this is not a DIY video. Sweet Urban Rose and myself are inviting y'all to collab along with us. We have both been having such a blast making all of these gorgeous fall decorations for our home that we want to see what y'all are making. The rules for this open invite are super simple. Okay, y'all, let's take a look at the rules really quickly. So number one is to mention the host and the playlist in your video. That's going to be myself, Mama Dares the DIY, and also Sweet Urban Rose. Rule number two, you're going to list the host channels and the playlist in your description box. We're also going to use hashtag Nailed It or Failed It August 2020 in our description box as well. Number three, dupe it. We're going to challenge you to duplicate a high-end fall item that you want in your home, but you don't want to pay the actual high price. So scour all of your favorite high-end stores online, or if you want to go into the actual store, you can do that too. You just want to include a picture of your inspiration piece in your video. We also want you to engage your audience by asking them if you nailed it or failed it. Rule number four, we're going to upload our videos to the playlist on Sunday, August the 30th at 8 p.m. Central Standard Time. The link for the playlist is going to be available in the description box of this video, as well as the community tabs on my channel and Sweet Urban Rose. And last but not least, number five is to have fun. That is the main goal of this challenge. We want you to step outside of your boxes and have fun with it and just make something creative and super amazing. And that's it, y'all. We really hope that y'all are going to be able to join us on this open collaboration. You've got around 2 weeks, so you want to go ahead and get those thinking caps on, start looking at your high-end stores, or even go into one of your high-end retail stores now and see what is out there. You've got tons of inspiration right now. I've seen so many things online. I'll be honest, it's going to be hard for me to narrow down just one thing, so we'll see what I can come up with. And that's it, y'all. Step outside of the box. I totally believe in you. I know you can do it. And let's push that creative envelope even more than we already have. I can't wait to see what y'all create. And yeah, until next time, happy DIYing, y'all.